Hello, my friends. I'm coming to you with another unboxing today. If you're new to my channel, thank you. I am super excited that you stopped here and hang out with me as we go through this video. Those of you who are subscribers, you are appreciated, and thank you for returning. But let's just jump into it. This is Mrs. DLC, and we're going to jump into our unboxing. So we have an unboxing from Coach, and I saw this online, and I wasn't quite sure if I liked it or not, and I ordered it because I wanted to see it live. So this is the City Tote, and it's in the signature print. Let's see. She looks like. Oh, she's nice. Okay. All right. So let's see. She has the gold tag here for Coach. There are no front pockets. There is a seam on the side. There are no back pockets. The bottom of the bag, you have the rounded, how it was folded, and then there's a seam here. It's a piece of wrapping paper. And the straps are a vachetta color, almost looks like a raw leather, but it's not like vachetta where it doesn't look like it, where if it rains, it's going to get spots or anything on it. So I don't think it's that tight. The hang tag here, let's see, that is in the same leather. You see the hang tag that is here. And I'm not going to take all of this out because I'm on the fence of whether I need another tote bag or not. And you see the trim around the edges. The leather continues there. And let's see, I'm going to peek inside. Oh, is this reversible? Huh, I don't know, but let's see if I can tilt it that way. You see the Coach emblem on both sides of the bag. No, it's not reversible. I was fooling myself. It's a magnetic closer here. And then it's a pretty large zipper pouch. And this looks like a vinyl. The inside is more of a vinyl. I think it's cute. What you think? I don't know. I think it's cute, but I don't know if she's a keeper or not. And let me tell you why. If she was the small Maggie, I would keep her because I would carry that. This tote, this City Tote, I don't know if I'm going to carry her. I don't know. So the jury is out. Tell me. You know what? I'm going to check out there. If you have a video on a City Tote, it doesn't have to be this print. I want to see. I want to see what you carry in it when you use this bag. Like, I think this is look, I'm a new grandmother. I think this is a perfect bag when I go get my granddaughter and can have all the little pink stuff in here, a little change of clothes, bottles, and all of that. That may make me want to keep this bag because this would be my grandma bag when I go and get my little princess. So I can see me carrying it for that. I don't have any other bags that can suffice for that. So listen, I think hard enough, I'll figure out a way to carry. So she may be a keeper. We'll see. We'll see. For that purpose, she may be a keeper. So that is the City Tote. Let me know what you think. Thank you all for joining. Subscribe, comment, and follow me. Be my subscriber. I would love to see you back again. Thank you.